They believed that the jungle would be better off as a democracy where every animal had a say.
Sheru was taken prisoner and held in a cave guarded by the strongest animals.
One fateful day, while I was still young and learning the ways of the jungle, I was captured by a group of animals who were tired of the tigers ruling over the land.
Once upon a time in the lush jungles of Sundarban, there was a young tiger cub named Sheru, who was destined to be king. However, his journey to the throne was not an easy one. With his cunning and courage, Sheru managed to escape from the cave by tricking the guards.
Once free, I sought the wisdom of the wise old owl, Ollie.
Sheru, the true strength of a leader lies in unity and the diversity of his subjects.
The battle for Sundarban was fierce, but with Sheru's leadership and the united strength of all animals, they were able to overthrow the group that had imprisoned him.
I was crowned king, not as a tyrant but as a leader who valued every creature in his kingdom.
Sheru showed us that even the smallest voice matters.
And together, we stand tall and strong.
King Sheru's rule brought about a golden age in Sundarban where peace reigned and all animals thrived. The kingdom prospered under his fair laws, and Sheru was remembered not just as a king, but as a legend who united a divided land.
And so, my story became one of hope and inspiration throughout the animal kingdom, teaching future generations that true strength lies in unity and kindness.